Now we are discussing test series 5, test series, 4, and question number is 35. The question belongs to the topic of transducers, more specifically inductive transducers, and in inductive transducers you have LVDT. So this is the classification of the question. So the question goes as: the output of an LVDT is connected to a 5-volt voltmeter through an amplifier having an amplification factor of 250. An output of 2 mV appears across the terminals of the LVDT when the core moves to a distance of 0.5 mm. Calculate the sensitivity of the LVDT and that of the whole setup. So here you are given 4 options, and 4 options contains two answers. So because you have to find out the sensitivity of the LVDT as well as sensitivity of the whole setup. Okay, so now we'll try to solve this question. So first of all, we'll find out the sensitivity of LVDT. Okay, so sensitivity of LVDT first. Okay, so simply sensitivity in any case will be the so if you take in general, then any transducer's output divided by the input what you are giving to the transducers will be its sensitivity. Sometimes in books and all they'll describe it as a small change in output is a small change in input and all. So basically for solving your numericals and all, don't bring that theory in between, because sensitivity of any transducer will be defined as the output what you are getting out of it and the input whatever you're given. So in case of LVDT you have output as your output voltage, because it will generate output voltage as its output, and input will be your displacement, mechanical displacement. Okay, so I will write input as a displacement. Fine. Now for this question, output voltage generated is given as 2 into 10's power minus 3. Okay, and the displacement was given as 0.5. So you have it solved to be 4 into 10's power minus 3 volts per mm, or 4 millivolt per mm, whatsoever, depends upon the solution options you have got into the problem. Okay, so if you see, then it says 4 millivolt per mm because answer is having all things in millivolt, so we'll better convert it into millivolt for our purpose. Now sensitivity of LVDT you have, but the point is that you have to find out the sensitivity of whole setup in order to get the correct answer. So sensitivity of whole setup. Okay, so you have the amplification factor and you have the sensitivity. Now if you see carefully, amplification factor is not having any unit and sensitivity is having a unit of millivolt per mm. And if you see all the options, then all the options are having unit of millivolt per mm or volt per mm whatsoever. Okay, so if you multiply the amplification factor which is not having any unit, you are not going to change the unit of the answer. Please remember, I am repeating it. If you are going to multiply the amplification factor, you are not going to change the unit. Okay, amplification factor is given as 250, which is having no unit. If you multiply it with the sensitivity of the LVDT, that is 4 millivolt per mm, you are going to have the answer. So sensitivity of the whole setup will be the amplification factor multiplied by the sensitivity of your LVDT. Fine. So it is given as 250 into 4 millivolt per mm. So it will turn out to be 1000 millivolt per mm. Fine. Now you see the options, then you will find that option number C, which says 4 millivolt per mm, 1000 millivolts per mm will be correct. So option number C for question number 35 is correct.